Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We finna go spin on a nigga, so in order to spin on a nigga on a drill, you gotta do this shit right. So I'm finna boots right here, you feel me? These my stepping boots. You don't know how many niggas I done spent on with these boots, you feel me? Hey nigga! Stupid ass nigga! Get your bitch in the house! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV, y'all. You feel me? We back at it again with another banger for y'all niggas. Not just a video, nigga, a banger. As y'all boy can tell by the thumbnail and title, you feel me? I'm finna go backdoor my day one homeboy, you feel me? He didn't even do nothing bad to me. I just wanna, you feel me, spin on a nigga, you know, go on the drill. That's what niggas in Hellcat do, you feel me? We hop in the Hellcat, run from the police, shoot at niggas, backdoor our partners. Y'all already know how I'm coming. Boy, see, we behind the wheel of that Hellcat, motherfucker. Let me give y'all boys a little pull. You know I'm coming. But anywho, y'all already see what we're finna be doing in this video. I also want to say, yeah, we finally hit 10K subs. Woo! So I would not have been able to achieve this without y'all, you feel me? So I do want to tell y'all boys, I appreciate y'all on everything y'all boy did for turning your boy up. There's many more, you feel me, goals and achievements to go with the YouTube shit, you feel me? So since we doing good, we finna do a nigga bad when I slide on his ass with that splat gun. Yeah, while I'm headed to this nigga crib, you feel me, I got a whole bottle, you feel me, full of that ammo, you feel me? So we gonna be stuffing that splat gun with these bullets, you feel me? And we gonna go spin on a nigga, on everything. Y'all already know how we coming. My sidekick with me today, she don't really want to be on the camera. Nigga, you my sidekick, nigga. Fuck you talking about? But like I said, you feel me? I got my sidekick with me. Hopefully, you feel me, you feel me, help me complete this drill, you feel me? Cause I love to kill. Gotta also make sure y'all turn this video up, you feel me? The last time we did that video, y'all boys ran that video up, you feel me? Like, that bit is at like 44K views, you feel me? So that should tell me that y'all like these type of videos. So make sure y'all watch the video all the way throughout. You don't got no choice. You don't want to miss it. You feel me? Was a little rundown on how we finna do this drill. So you feel me? I got some gloves, ammo. I got some change of clothes. You feel me? I got the strap in the trunk. You feel me? So we gonna really suit up and get busy with this nigga, no cap. Even though he ain't do nothing wrong to me, I want to do something wrong. You feel me? That's just the way it is, you feel me? So we are currently probably about, you feel me, 4 minutes away from this nigga crib, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna park this bit at an abandoned location, and your boy gonna get ready to suit up on this nigga, no cap.
A few moments later.
Y'all, so you feel me? We finna go ahead and get ready to suit up, like I said. You feel me? We finna go spin on a nigga. So in order to spin on a nigga on a drill, you gotta do this shit right. So I'm finna take out all my supplies that I need to get the job done. So the first thing we're gonna put on, you feel me? This is my stepper suit, you feel me? I know you supposed to wear all black, nigga, but we gonna wear all white. So we gotta slide this bit on. You feel me? Now, these my boots right here, you feel me? These my stepping boots. You don't know how many niggas I done spent on with these boots, you feel me? And they ain't going nowhere. So I don't care about y'all talking about my boots. What you looking at like that? It's hot as hell out this bitch. Ain't nobody looking at me. You think they looking at me over there? Think they looking at me over there?
I don't think so.
What I look like?
A damn clown.
A clown? You gonna be a clown because I spin on your ass, Nick.
Shut up. You ain't gonna do shit. The ugly ass Mickey Mouse suit on.
I don't care. Alright, y'all, so this is what's gonna get the job done right here, you feel me? We gotta pour out some of the water for the dead homies, you feel me? Oh shit, I'm dropping my bullets. Bruh, I have a technical difficulties. Now we finna pour these bitches in the club. should be enough, you feel me? Just like a full clip. Feel me? We're gonna put that bit in the gun. You gotta hit that bit to make sure that bit all the way in. Alright, y'all, so we back in the whip, you feel me? Finna show y'all, bro, we got that bit in fully mode, no cap. So before y'all niggas go on the drill, bro, y'all gotta make sure y'all test out the gun to make sure that bitch ain't jamming. So that's what we finna do. We finna aim at that sign. Technical difficulties, 1 second.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so we are now headed to pull up on this nigga, you feel me? I told that nigga I was gonna bring him some blacks, cause he like to smoke, you feel me? Oh shit, there go the police down there. But shit, we still finna do the drill, my nigga. On God. We got a casual drive past them. Hold on. Yeah, we can't let them boys see the camera. Fuck 12, nigga. Oh! On everything. I was saying, we headed this nigga way, you feel me? He don't know what finna hit him. I told the nigga I was gonna bring him some blacks cause he love to smoke. And I'm running this stop sign even though the police is back there. Cause I don't care. You feel me? I also got this hot ass suit on and it's 90 degrees outside. So a nigga in this bitch wet as hell again. You feel me? Last drill I was sweating. This drill I'm sweating too. And I don't like it. Drive slow. I'ma go around here. I'm tired of this slow ass driving, nigga. I'm trying to go kill something, nigga. Said you think he outside?
If he not outside,
You just gonna have to call him. And we gotta make that nigga come outside so I can make his ass run when I hit him with this splat gun, nigga. And hopefully that bit don't jam up. And y'all, I keep this ski mask on my head for a reason. You never know when you gotta bounce out on a nigga and fill his ass up with these bullets, no cap. So when I get to like a block away, the ski mask is gonna be completely on, no cap. You feel me? We is a block away now, so it's time to suit up completely. You feel me? We got the ski mask on. You can't see my face, can you?
don't say peace.
Hold on. What about now?
I couldn't see your eyes.
Alright, now I gotta get my glove. You see my glove?
They might be in the trunk.
Oh well, we only got one glove, but we still gonna use this hoe. Oh God. We only gonna be touching the gun with this one hand anyway, y'all. So we only got one glove, but that still don't mean you gotta go catch your target, nigga. You still gotta complete the mission. As you can see, we're headed down this street. We're gonna bust this little left. And we're gonna blaze this nigga ass up. Alright, y'all, so you feel we gotta let the windows up. You feel me? So he don't see us sneaking up on his ass. You feel me? We also gotta make sure. And we got that bit in fully mode. Look, that go his big ass right there, y'all. Y'all see him right there. Right there, I'm finna light his ass up. Why this? I'm finna make his ass come to the car, y'all. I don't feel like getting out. Come on, fat ass. Look out the damn road. Come on, hey, come on! What is she talking about?
I know you got this black there. You trying to keep me on camera.
I got the splat gun, but it's not in the car. Hey, nigga! Stupid ass nigga! Get your out of the house! Alright, y'all, so I'm currently, you feel me, first drill went successful, even though that nigga was acting like he already knew what was going on, but you feel me? That don't mean nothing. I'm finna pull up on my other partner too. I'm finna backdoor his ass as well, you feel me? Just because that nigga ain't text me back in a timely fashion. As y'all can see, I'm like right around the corner from his ass. So I'm finna get his ass to come out the house and I'm just gonna have the windows up so they won't be suspecting and suspicious. You feel me? As y'all boy can see with this nigga, I text him, I said, hey, come outside. He said, okay. I said, I need your help with something. You feel me? So that means I'm gonna help this nigga get hit with this motherfucking splat gun, no cap. See if we get the camera rolling. That nigga get him a big ass bowl of cereal. Huh, you that phone.